Hi students, happy Thursday. Hope you're having an amazing day. I miss you guys all so much. I'm so excited because I see, let me show you my screen. On my classroom page that I have about 16 students joined. I'm so excited. I have Jaden, Analia A has joined, Angie, Elizabeth, Alyssa, Yamileth, Santiago, Brianna, Daniel, Xavier, Juan, Jericho, Gilbert, Juliana has joined, Alejandro, and Toriana. So we're about over halfway there. The class has joined, so I'm so excited. I can't wait to have all 30 students join. I will be doing the read aloud in this video. But I have a few announcements before I begin the video. I'm sorry, I'm a little late. I said 1 o'clock, but to push it to 1:30 because I've been having a lot of wonderful questions being asked. I've been answering those questions, so I haven't been able to do the video yet. But one thing really quickly that I want to show you guys. When you guys log on to my Google Classroom, you're seeing my announcements. Make sure you scroll down and see all of the announcements and watch the videos that are there. They're there to help you. If you haven't already done so, I posted a video on how to go on Flipgrid. I'm hoping it works. Let me know if it doesn't work. Brianna mentioned already that it didn't work for her. Thank you for letting me know. If you do see it, let me know too. Put it on the comments. I saw it. Thank you, Miss R. I already had, if you see here, I posted a photo. We have Angie, Xavier, and I have all posted something on Flipgrid. I love seeing your guys' videos. Thank you guys so much. But I have about 16 students on Google Classroom, so I want to see 16 videos, not just 3. So to do that, I want to show you guys really quickly how to do that. So if you go to clever.com, if you log in as a student, I'm going to log on to my teacher one, just because it's quicker. Right here it says Flipgrid. Click on Flipgrid, and it's loading. All right, you're going to see my class for Flipgrid. And what you're going to do, this is a question. What has been your favorite thing about being at home? And what is one thing that you miss about being in the classroom? You could watch our videos first. If not, you can go straight into posting one. You're going to log in with Google. I'll log into mine. Here's where you're going to record your response. Press that, say your video. If you forgot the question already, that's okay. Click on this button and I'll show you the question. After you post it, view someone else's video. So let's say for Angie's. View Angie's video, and then you can I want you to respond to her video, respond to Xavier's, respond to my video by clicking the green button that says reply. You can even like it. Press the heart button to like it. And that's how you're going to respond. Again, watch Xavier's video and click on the reply. And Xavier already responded to mine because I see his face here. So the more students that respond, you'll see their little circle, their face in a circle. So that's how you go on Flipgrid. Also, this is one question you guys can do. You guys can do another one starting today. And where do you find that question? Where do you find all the other questions that I post? Click where it says March 27th. Click on that. It shows 5 topics. That means that there's 5 questions here you could answer. The next one I want you guys to do, I want you to do the read and feed. Ignore these for right now. Click on read and feed. What I want you to do for read and feed, it says right here, show the class what you are snacking on during read and feed and what book you will be reading for 15 minutes. So post your snack in your video. Say what book you're going to read. Maybe you're going to read something on Epic. That's fine. Maybe you want to read for 15 minutes first and then post your video and share what you read about. Let us know. Let us know what book you're reading on Epic if you recommend it to someone, so that student can go on Epic and read that story as well. But we can still do read and feed, today's read and feed, and we can still do it with fabulous technology tools like Flipgrid, okay? So again, to go back, maybe you want to answer the other question, click on this bar, click on March 27th, and post your video by pressing the green button. I want to see your guys' faces. I miss you guys. Okay, so one last thing. I posted here where it says if you have any comments or questions, please add them to the comments below. If you want to say, I know how Jericho, he said, I miss you all. I miss you too, Jericho. If you want to say you miss someone or you have something to say to the class, put it here where it says add class comment, because if everyone posts something here, then you won't see my announcement. So we want to make sure every comment, every question you put it right here for right now. Where it says add class comment, share your comments, your questions on this one, on my post that says Happy Thursday. Okay? And because if not, then we're going to get so many comments and we're going to lose all the important updates that I post on there. Okay? So right here, put your questions, your comments, your concerns. That way we don't, like I said, we don't lose any of the important announcements that I put. Really quickly, on April 13th is where we're going to start our distance learning officially. Until then, I'll be posting read-in feeds. I'll be posting Flipgrid activities for you guys can do. So make sure you come onto Google Classroom every day to see what's new, okay? But April 13th is when you will start your lessons that I have. So if you click on classwork on top, you get to see all the lessons I already have for you for this week. Don't go on them yet because they're not officially done. I'm working on them. I'm editing them. It takes a lot of work to do this, but I think you guys will have a lot of fun and your brains are going to continue to grow. So don't click on them yet because they're not done. But this is where you'll go to classwork to begin your activities. And I'll do another video on how to do activities, how do you upload them, how do you turn them into me using Google Classroom, okay? That'll be later on. So if you have any questions, always message me. I want to hear your questions. I want to hear if a video is not working. I want to hear if you liked a video. I want to hear that you saw a video. That way I know what you guys need help with and know that you guys are watching stuff. So comment, okay? So I just spent 7 minutes telling you guys some announcements. So officially, let's begin reading our story. If you haven't seen the previous video, I started it again. Scroll down. And you would read March 30th, read aloud, okay? Watch the videos, comment on the videos. Elizabeth was my only student who commented, so I want more comments next time. But she wants us to go to page 3, so we're going to page 3 and continuing our adventure. Okay? So, carefully maneuvering the seeker between the walls of the canyon, you discover a large round hole. A stream of large bubbles flows steadily out of the hole. The seeker is equipped with scientific equipment to analyze the bubbles. It also has a sonar equipment that can measure depth. The ocean covers to 90% of the earth and is mostly unknown. Who knows where this hole might lead? So we have 2 options at the bottom of the page. If you decide to analyze the bubbles, turn to page 9. If you decide to take depth readings, turn to page 14. Ooh, what do I want to do? I kind of want to take depth reading. So I'll make the first decision. I want to go to page 14. And then you guys will make the next decision. So, maneuvering the seeker next to the hole, you begin to take sonar readings to determine its depth. To your amazement, the sonar readings indicate that the hole is extraordinarily deep. It might reach the center of the earth. What lies down there? Where are the bubbles coming from? Is Atlantis beneath you? There's a sudden and disturbing digital reading on your instruments. A mid-ocean earthquake. The seeker is not damaged, but the moray might leave, and you will be abandoned. Maybe you should ascend right away and join the moray. On the other hand, you are perhaps on the verge of one of the world's greatest discoveries. So here's a photo. Oops. Oh. There you go. You're in your ship, the seeker. These are the options. If you decide to descend into the hole, turn to page 23. Or if you want us to go back and return to the surface, turn to page 26. So the choice is yours. Leave on the comments. The more comments I have, the page number that has the most votes will be the page number I go to. So again, if you want us to descend into the hole, turn to page 23. If you decide to turn to the surface, turn to page 26. So leave on the comments if you want us to go to page 23 or page 26. I'm excited to see what you guys choose. Go on Flipgrid, make your video, and also click on the other topics and do your read and feed video as well. I'll be posting one in a little bit as well. I miss you guys all. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. Do some exercise. Let's do some running, some walking, some basketball, some baseball, some jumping jacks. There's so many options. So I miss you guys. Post your videos, comment on everything so I know you guys are seeing it. I know you guys are reading my information. That's super important as a teacher. I want to know that you guys are seeing everything. Okay, so have a great day. Comment, or also have to message your parents and say, your child hasn't messaged them. Are they on my classroom? Are they doing their work? Are they doing the posts? So make sure you comment, okay? Love you guys. Be safe.